What?
Oh man, we ran over this big outside of Menards.
Oh.
And I was like, oh, when we went on the curb. Look at the kids' faces.
And we're just like, what is that girl doing?
We're like, those birds haven't flown away yet, and we're being so noisy out here. Look at you. Look at Mommy. Olivia. Get down on the ground. Get down, get down, get down on.
Floating away, we're about to Kansas City.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah?
Jackie and I were about to Kansas City.
You could have been like, oh, hi, Trey, can we come in your place?
We floated down from the river.
Yeah,
We could go visit Trey more often.
Go where more often?
Visit Trey, but then I gotta pack up with you.
Yeah, he don't like, Judy said he had hair everywhere. I never know she dropped that much hair. Yeah, and Grandpa don't like doing that either.
No.
And Grandma don't like doing it
So
either.
that's why we don't travel much with Judy.
Then Dad would have to take care of her.
He doesn't like taking care of
Yeah, nobody wants
Then
to.
who would?
Only us.
Nobody wants to care for
people
Judy.
that like her. Actually, people that don't like Judy, but they never